everyone, my name is Melly, and today we are making a quick and delicious yogurt cake. We need very few ingredients for this. So here we go. I'm going to use 4 eggs. Separate the yolks from the rest. The egg whites come next. Now put the yolks in a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now beat with a mixer for about a minute. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. We're almost ready. Now I take a super fragrant vanilla pod. We only need the pulp. It smells so good. I wash the lemon and apple so that I can grate the lemon peel into small pieces. The whole room smells of it. Now it's time for the yogurt with 3.5% fat content. We need 375 grams of yogurt for the recipe. I mix it with a whisk until the mixture has a nice consistency. Now it's time for the egg whites. I take a new bowl and beat the egg whites until foamy. I take half a lemon and squeeze the juice out of it. This is also added for a delicious citrus note. I also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. We mix it so that it is still frothy. Now I take the first bowl again. Add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. I grate the apple for a delicious apple note. I only mix this briefly because now I add the bowl with the egg whites. And we're done. It was easy, wasn't it? Let me know in the comments. Now the baking tin and off to the oven. It takes 40 minutes and I enjoy the winter time in the meantime. 40 minutes gone? Then let's take a look in the oven. Oh my God, that smells so good. Let's get it out. Pictures speak louder than words. So check it out. And top with powdered sugar. Edible butterflies are also a must. It smells so delicious. The cake is buttery soft. If you let it cool, it will harden. You will love it. I wish you lots of fun making it. My name is Melly. I had fun, and I'll see you in the next video.